So you've got yourself a cylinder mower. Congrats to you. Excited! But now you've got it, you don't quite know how to use it. Well, this video is to help you. Because I like to help. That's why. The first thing that you must do with the cylinder mower is make sure that it's cutting paper. It's no good using it even if you know how to use it properly if it's not cutting properly, right? So let's look at that first. Alright, so the first thing you do is make sure that it's adjusted properly and sharp. So it should cut paper like so, like a pair of scissors. This is the cartridge off of the Swordman, and it's actually taken out. So it's one of the benefits of the system of the cartridge is taking out. You can do all the adjustment and everything without having to do it at the mower. So I've actually got this flipped upside down, and this is the bottom blade here, and what happens is I'll turn it and this should cut the paper. See? Perfect cut. And test it all the way down. See? Cuts like paper. And there, she needs a bit of an adjustment. So my far end was a bit blunt, right? So I could have done the adjustment there on the table, but I've decided to put it into the mower to show you just how to work on the mower and show you how to change the reels as well. So it's a little bit off subject, a bit Swordman focused, but I get a lot of questions of how to do it, so I might as well chuck this in the video, and yeah, you can see the process. It's fairly easy. Yeah, so sorry guys, this video is going to be a bit longer than the usual. Hope you don't mind.
Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders, I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back.
As you can see, the Swordman is pretty clever. Changing the cartridges is pretty easy. Now let's get back to adjusting the cutting, and I just wanted to show you that, you know, you could have done it on the bench like I had it before, but you could also put it into the mower and lean the mower back using those wheels on the back and the handle, and effectively adjust everything and get the right cut. Now that we've got the cutting sorted, now we're going to practice our mower. The cylinder mowers are self-propelled. You'll have to control that, and you'll just have to get used to the motion of it. So go up and down in the same spot until you get nice and smooth, just using the roller, no reel. You're not cutting anything yet, you're just getting nice and used to it. So here you're not actually cutting anything. The engine is powering the roller at the back, and that's what makes it go forward. Go up and down in the same spot, practice your turns. When you get to your turns, just feather off a little bit, and as you can see, when I'm turning, I'm actually pushing the front of the mower up. And that's just to make the turn not affect the grass while I'm turning. And then when I complete my turn, the front roller goes back down, and do your other pass. And try and line up your other pass from where you came, from the edge of the other pass, if that makes sense. We're now to cutting, and the cutting's the fun part. Once you've got your mowing technique down, then you can start using the reel. Start at a very high height of cut, so it's not an aggressive cut, so to speak. Then just do what you've done. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you're not doing anything, 27th to the 31st of March, come down to Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show. I'll be there in the Amgrow tent. Get your lawn on.